right, well, this might be the dumbest financial decision I've ever made in my life. We got the camera out here on the paddleboard, which this is the first time I'm taking this paddleboard out because the last paddleboard I had exploded. So this should be a lot of fun. But I mean, why not, dude? We got the big dog, the big camera out. Let's do this. Nice. Get a picture of the new tall building. The building is tall. I just want to get a couple pictures. I'm going to paddle some more. Let's see if I can get some of the people down here. Oh, that's a bird. Oh my God. Where are they? There's my peeps. Put them right in the corner pocket. See if anything comes out of those. Probably not, but see if I can get this guy. Oh, there they are. All right. All right, let's see what we got with this guy. Okay, maybe I didn't need to go with this guy. Oh my God, it's so wide. All right, I could have gone with my other one, but we're here, so. Oh no, get out of here. These birds. Huh. You can't even see what I'm doing, and that's okay. You know, I thought this would be a cool idea, and as I'm doing it, I'm realizing it's stupid. Oh my God, yes! Dude, this is such a stupid idea. Oh my God, I just almost lost my lens cap. Not like I can't just buy a new one, but that was stupid of me. So we got the birds over here. We're gonna crank this ISO way up. Some jabronis hanging out on the water. With a bird flying right by. Oh, look at all of them over there. Flockavilli. Shutter speed's not nearly high enough, but let's see if we can get anything out of those. Dude, these guys are they're just balling out. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. These ducks do not care that I'm here, which is really cool. I guess that just about does it. I'm going to feel like an idiot while I cruise back. And hopefully any of these come out. If not, hey, trial and error. I'm not gonna say what I was about to say because I don't want to jinx it.